Hi and welcome to my first devlog series. So this is my very first project, and I hope this also goes well, and I hope this doesn't feel like my basketball tutorials and all this. But so for now, this is what I got. You can move using the A and D keys, and I will link a tutorial in the description for what I found. This is going to be like a devlog series where I'm going to discuss about the game and making it in front of you guys. So I want to make like a bit of a platform right now, and I have a system in my level which allows me to get some levels. I'll just copy the player 2 times, and I need to remove my movement script, or otherwise they will also move. So I'm kind of scared about that. So let's just name this to platform 1 and rename this to platform 2. I know this is a bit of a rough start, but this is my first devlog series, but I hope this goes well. So let's run the game, and nothing happens because it's kind of a problem. We need to remove I forgot my okay. So we need to remove these also. So let me just color the player in a different color. Let me just put this to a bright red, and platform 1 I'll move it in platform 2. So I need to access the Y position. No, not the Y position, the X position. So it becomes a nice platform, and I'm gonna set this a bit down and remove the rigid body to the component and remove the other rigid body. No, I'm just gonna delete this one for now, and then I'll copy this, and then we'll put it here, and then I'll rename this to platform. Okay, so guys, let's see final result. Okay, so that's our first level. We can jump. I thought of launching this on Steam, but you can turn into a long boy. It's like kind of like Flappy Bird. You can jump around by spamming the space button. And I'm trying to like end the game. I don't know. Let me just search on Google good game names, because good name for games. Oh, Sneha X Xerox. I just called it platformer. I think I'm gonna skip platformer instead. I called it paltformer. Yes. So I think well, this is the script for moving the player. I'll also link this down in the description below. You can copy this code and put inside your code, so this will happen. And I'm just going to copy the whole thing because I'm going to make the same like thing all over again. And so let me delete this for now. and inside the player script, inside the player, I'm going to remove this component and let's just add a new component. Oh, what? I'm just gonna add a completely new player. So guys, I'm just gonna start from the very basic. So I think I have my player folder here, but I'll just create a folder with the shapes, and I'm going to create a sprite, and I'm going to call this player. I don't know. Should I keep I'll just write diamond for now. So that is something to diamond. The overall performance of the unit. Yes. And I'll call this player. Okay, and I'm gonna lag it in my scene, turn it into bright red color, and make the ground a bit like. Not like it is delete the transform. And let's extend the main camera. Okay. So when you first start your Unity project, it just starts like this. You can download Unity from unity.com, unity3d.com, and over here click on Unity, and you can click on Get Started, and you can go to the individual site, and then you can check the personal version, and then click on that. Okay, so I'm doing this in 2020, so start creating with Unity. Click on first time users because you don't want the pro version. Again, download, and this will download Unity Hub, which you can set up. And then finally you will get this application, and you'll get an automatic thing. You'll get an automatic version of Unity, and then you can click on new project, 3D or 2D or two of these, and name your project and create that project. It will take some time, but once you get used to Unity, it will just become very easy. So guys, let's also create a prefab of our ground, and I'll call this ground. So these both are prefabs, which means you can extend them one by one. You don't have to add them all over again, you can just add them again. So if I want a second player, I can just drag this thing into there, and it will just, you can't add a diamond from here because it doesn't work exactly. So and we'll scale the position of our player to like 100, and we'll just move this one. And let's move our game scene over here so that we can see it correctly, and it's a bit nice, but let me just click on shift space to open our thing, and let me just maximize it, and let me just move the main camera. Main camera. I don't know if it answers your question, but this is how you can get to see how these units are performed when it comes. Okay guys, let me just extend the camera by a lot, and let's check our game save, and that is so now we need to add, let's save our scene. So click on save as, and I'm going to call this my devlog scene Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to add a script for our player, and I did not create a separate folder for our scripts, and let me just create that folder, scripts, and let me put this inside the scripts. And inside our scripts, I will add a C# script, and I'm going to call this movement of our player. So now let's open this. It will take some time. And then click on open. And why am I doing a tutorial? Now, so let me just delete this code and then paste this giant chunk of code just like your mom. Okay. Sorry I said that. Sorry, I did not actually. So this code is going to be in the description below. Why am I doing a tutorial? I have to do a devlog video. So this is the code of going. So I'll just explain it to you guys. So we'll create a public float of moveSpeed, and I'm going to do this again for you guys. So say public float moveSpeed, and let's set that to 5, and let's just comment this. And in our start ending we will not do anything, but in the update area, so I'll also comment this code out. Okay, so let's create an update function, void update. We need to put a capital case. That will help with making the function compile and execute. And here let's just say jump brackets and semicolon. Most sentences in our Devlog series will use C#, and most of the sentences will end with a semicolon. So let's just say vector 3 movement is equal to new, I don't know why I'm learning for myself, vector 3 input dot get axis horizontal, and make sure you spell it correctly. It will work, but it will throw you somewhere else. Comma, and for the x we'll put 0 f. And why am I putting this f? Because it will turn as a float. And for the y, let's also put 0. And let's put a semicolon. Okay, so let's say transform.position plus equals the movement times time.deltaTime times moveSpeed. Okay, so we didn't know anything about this jump function, so let's create a function called jump. And let's say this is our jump function.
And assign that as courses to your upcoming batches. So that also helps. Either way, you can do it.
So this, beside this, there will be a separate code like this one here. So guys, now what we'll do is create that. So let's say void jump. Finally, we won't get an error. And let's say if input or get access, not get component, access what am I doing? Get button down, and that will equal to jump, and let's put a let's put a curly braces because this is just like Java, and we need to put curly braces for that if we put like a statement. Now what we need to do is say gameObject.GetComponent angle bracket rigid body 2D with the capital D, brace, what's that called, right and left parentheses, and put a period, AddForce, new vector 2 0 for the x and 5 for the y, and we'll just name this it force mode 2D dot impulse. So now if we save this code and go back to Unity, so this will take some time. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to put a semicolon at the end. Wait, do not save it. Yeah. So now if we run it and it doesn't work, wait, let's wait for a sec. It will work, I think. I don't know. Wait. Oh yeah, we didn't link to the player, so I'll just drag this into our player. Cannot compiler and the file in class that is really wrong. Okay, sorry. I just mistakenly named it MovementOfOurPlayer. I'm just calling this movement of our player. Is that correct? That is correct. Okay, please work. It should work. I'll write it. Yeah, so now it will work. So save the scene, and now we're in our game view, and if we press the A and D keys, yeah, so there is no rigid body 2D but a script still trying to access. What did I just do? Wait, that is wrong. Let me just delete this code and then get this back.
You mean talent sentiments fine?
Okay.
Yes.
Save this.
So, yes.
Did I do it correctly? I don't know. Okay. Come. What is this? The 34th line and the third call.
This is captured as keywords on that person's profile.
The fourth line and the third column.
And if I had done
That's the
10
third.
different courses, almost 10 different courses, will come up with 10 labels, right?
3.
Or identifiers. So
Wait.
you don't feel that.
Wait. Starting to make sense now. Wait a second. Let me just delete all these lines. They do nothing for our purposes. Wait, let's see. So it said voice start, that did nothing. And then there is one update and jump. Let's add another thing.
So that is something.
Let's go back to Unity
Really need on the last
and let's hope the Unity got it back.
I needed to
Missing component exception. There is no rigid body 2D attached to the player. Okay, sorry. So in our player, we need to add a rigid body component. So rigid body 2D. And if we are in 3D, we have to add rigid body. Let's close the info. And we need to add a nice color to our player. Good player. And set this for a nice red color. And I don't know. Okay. Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Sorry. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? We need to add a box collider. Box collider 3D. Save.
What did
I just do? Wait, let me just zoom in. And let me move to my player. And in our box collider, edit collider. Wait, let me change this to.
Yeah, so that will also be done. Yes.
Yeah.
So with that, right,
Square.
what happen, you will
The coin is also
register at once, right? Then we follow our formal procedure of registering this as a request and follow the request. We take the
Now
value,
we
send the
move into the player.
to the participant.
Okay. So this should work. If it doesn't work, I'm literally gonna keep this computer. Sorry, I didn't say that. So rigid body tool. And put the okay. There's no box collider for the ground also to work. Okay. Let's go to a console. Yeah, it will work.
You can fill in this tracker with all possible vendors
But
it's partners and the possible certification which are resources.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
Let's just capture it from the plan.
Let's hope to the Unity got the works. Okay. It works and you can jump. We'll jump into it. But it still works. And we need to create our platforms. So let's create a new tile, and I'll also call this platform, and drag 2 of these, or 3 of these, 4 of these into here. So now what we need to do is get our thing, and let's put up the scale, and let's zoom out for a better thing, and let me just delete this.
Bharti is the one.
Okay. And let's copy this with Ctrl D, and then let's copy this again, and then I will copy this again and get that, copy that again, put this,
So that is what essentially all the key so maybe Rajesh can show
and
us.
let's just put down the X of this and hope this works.
So for the certification aspect, right, I can notice because we used to share it on a weekly basis. So the latest report also is available in Time. Who has done the certification, then which are recorded and I will
Okay, let's save this and let's try the game. What just happened? Okay. Oh, I forgot. These don't have box colliders to them. Let me just select all these.
Yes.
And
Another good idea would be to float a
come back.
that's all. Where people can volunteer to tell if it's something they complete previously or nothing more or say. So it's push on to that.
Yes, come on. Okay. Okay, it's finally working. Okay, that's a little bit reach. Okay, so let's try double jump. And I'll try to hide one of the things. So let me just hide that and let's see. Okay. That's still not better. See. Sometimes we produce our own mistakes. Okay, so it doesn't appear in the hierarchy, but see. It's so awesome just to see your masterpiece come to life, right? It's just so awesome to see your masterpiece come to life. I need to add points to this game. I need to make the camera follow the player, I think. Well, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video. Let me just clear the console. So that's it for this video. I will see you.